Hey guys, how we doing? I want to just do a Bitcoin and Ethereum health check, basically like a checkup, and just look at some metrics here to say, is Bitcoin and Ethereum looking healthy, or are we literally going to go down to $20,000 on Bitcoin? So that's what we're going to assess in this video. So guys, you probably know who we are. If not by now, guys, we've got 122 wins, 1 loss. From what we can find, we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube and actually in crypto that we can find. On top of that, we have a very healthy account, which the account over here is sitting at 82,485 out of 10,000. Okay, you guys can see this right up here. I just want to show you guys a live chart up here. I've been looking at Luna and consistently looking here to see if is Luna going to recover, guys? I don't think it's going to recover. Is it actually stopped trading, by the way? Sorry, I don't want to sidetrack us here, but supposedly Luna is supposed to stop trading on Coinbase on May 27th. Okay, we're still trading. We're still live here. All right, guys. So let's get back over to Bitcoin and assess how this is performing. Here's what I want to start with, guys. Let's go over to tradeconfident.io right now. Go to the charts here. You guys can access these metrics in the description. Okay, I want to look at this for a second. The long trades on Bitcoin here have been incredibly, literally they skyrocketed and then they went flat. Same duration period, short trades drastically moved out. So this is a very bullish sign when we're looking at Bitcoin. And we're going to look at Ethereum now where the same signs are present. So let's come over here. Let's take a look at Ethereum and take a look at what we're seeing over here. Short trades dropping out. So from just a high level perspective right now, you guys can understand from this analysis that short trades are dropping out for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Call them the parent coins of all your altcoins. The short trades are dropping out. This shows that people are not as confident that Bitcoin is going to keep heading back down here. Now, looking at that same metric, long trades are just basically staying the same here on Ethereum. And as you guys saw over here, after the skyrocket move, long trades stayed the same the last few days. Okay, you guys can see that off here with the shelving off here that's happening. Okay, what I want to go down to now, let's look at the market cap strength. Money is moving into Bitcoin here as price structure is moving down, which is very healthy. This is hundreds of millions of dollars. Okay, now let's look over here at Ethereum. If you take a look at Ethereum, Ethereum's market cap is also moving up in the same duration here. Okay, so we're seeing money shift into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I believe it's just simply one thing, guys. It's the demand of a lower price taking over. Not to mention, we have an absolutely massive support over here, which is right at this level of right about $29,000 to $30,000, okay? This is most likely where we're going to see a bounce back up. Now let's move down here and do the doomsday conclusion here of how low we can possibly go. Guys, a move back down to structure low is as far as I think this is going to possibly go. And it is just $20,000. It's the initial, what they call psychology of a pump phase move where everyone gets into euphoria. Literally, it's called euphoria at the top over here. And this was in the end of December 2017 where we hit the top here and then we absolutely crashed. That is, funny enough, guys, acting as our major support now if we don't see a bounce here at about $30,000. So everyone's kind of holding tight and they're like, man, I really hope we bounce from 30. And I'm with you guys. We need a bounce at $30,000. Where are we going to drop down after we do that? Well, I think a move up to the ascending resistance is where we're going to move to, which is about 36,000. And then we're going to be looking for that little bull run up here on the lower time frames and then the move back down. Okay, been showing you guys the daily time frame a lot because I just want to give us more of a macro overview instead of the micro where we're down, on the lower time frames. Let's look at this. Price versus well money flow. Are whales selling? Yes, they are selling into the market. I'm a broken record on this, guys. But watch this. If you come out here and just do Option H on your guys' computers, I want to change this because I think this looks ridiculous. I want to make this a little bit different here. We're gonna make this a little bit smaller here. Okay, this works better for me. I want you guys to observe this. What you guys are seeing right now is whales have sold so much in this market here that they're dropping down the price of Bitcoin. But when they sell, they will start buying again. And I know it's like, oh, when is it ever going to happen? But honestly, guys, I think we're just a matter of a few days away here where we're going to probably see a little bit of a jump. And I'm also going to show you guys the SPY as well. But when whales start selling in this market here and we start getting down to these lower areas of the whale money flow, which is the green, this is where we start seeing moves back up in the market. And we start seeing recoveries happen in the market because whales do not sell forever. They want to make money on their longs, guys. They're waiting for you to sell off in the market, and they're selling off as well because they're just taking some profits from the previous long trades they've been into. And then once you guys are in fear and anxiety, which is over here on the emotional index, the emotional index over here is in anxiousness and fear. Once you guys feel anxiety and fear, this is where the whales are coming in. They're like, okay, we've dropped this market enough. Let's start buying again. This literally shows you guys the buying patterns of whales over here. If you watch this and you get to this lower section down here, that's where you can watch the moves up. Also, the trend exhaustion is looking at the actual structures of crypto. So when you guys have these two indicators on your charts, you are now able to predict the market moves up before they happen with incredible accuracy. Will you predict all of them? No way. I will never come on here and try to tell that to you guys. But here's what you're looking for. You're looking for the syncing up of well money flow low and trend exhaustion in the bottom red section for moves back up. That's all you guys are looking for. Just watch for this over and over and over again. Well money flow moving down, trend exhaustion bottom section, watch for these moves back up. This is where we're currently at, and this is why I think we could see some moves back up here. It's correlated almost perfectly to this move right here where we push into a bull market of a low, high, higher low, higher high formation. All right? As well as drops, guys, simply just watch for trend exhaustion to be high and well money flow high, and then watch for the drops back down once we start heading back up. The indicators, they're awesome, guys. They're making people a good amount of money over here. I'll just share this with you guys because I haven't done this in a while. This guy literally took his account from $150 to $1,000 using the indicators. That's insane. I want to interview this guy sometime to see actually how he did that. Guy's doing down here, he said he's making thousands of dollars a month, and just this last week, $5,000. This is when he sent this in, okay? Again, with the indicators, $23,000 down here this guy does with the trend exhaustion price versus well money flow in 1 week. When you guys are observing this, you can now look at the overall markets and say, what are whales anticipated to do next? We are also using the metrics over here, because let me end with this. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum's whale metrics over here, taking a look at the smart money for whales institutions. We've consistently see this buying happen in Bitcoin here, where smart money is always going to look to acquire the price at low points, and they're going to trade against retail traders. So when retail traders are freaking out and they're selling, this is when the acquisition of smart money comes in and they buy it up and the price goes back up. When retail traders are getting really greedy and they're starting to see the market go up, smart money comes out and they short for the market move back down. This is why if you guys are staying on the side of smart money and watching that metrics, a lot of times you'll be like, wow, the price structure of crypto actually moved in my favor because you guys are trading with smart money. They trade opposite of retail traders. And what I've been seeing lately here is that we've just seen this mass gathering of purchasing of cryptos for long trades, and it's on the drop here. It makes sense because we see a lot of support over here where we could see a massive bounce, as well as we see with the blockchain data of long trades clearly moving up on Bitcoin, like skyrocketing, and now we're shelving off a little bit. So overall, Bitcoin Ethereum looks really healthy, guys. It honestly does. Here's what I would be concerned about is if well money flow gets back up here, trend exhaustion gets back up here, and we have not moved out of this area, that could be a sign where we could just break support here and head down to $20,000, but we are not there. So the analysis has to stay true with the data that we have. And this is showing more signs of a move back up. And I believe that too. I'm not just saying just because the data shows that, but literally, I believe this. You see people bailing out on short trades. They're like, no, we don't think it's going to go down. Institutions are like, we're out of here, man. We're not shorting this thing at all. Not touching with a 10-foot pole. They are taking shorts out of the market, and they are coming in, and they are actually purchasing Bitcoin, which you can see from this metric right there. And you can also see from this metric right over there for market cap strength. Okay, guys? In order to access these metrics, come over here to pricing. It's just $95 a month, and you guys are going to get access to the well metrics on all of these coins. Telegram entry and exits on all of our coins I'll be coming out with for you guys. The master classes, watch those guys. They're at the top, as well as the community chat, as well as the master classes. And then tomorrow, should have said this in the beginning of the video so you guys can be aware of this. Tomorrow I'm going live on Zoom with all of you guys at 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, I'm going to send a link out, but everybody click right here. The Zoom link is actually available for you. I'm going to talk about USDT. I'm going to talk about what's going on in the markets, guys. I'm going to open up the whole basically the second half, or probably the last 3/4 of the session, it's going to go about an hour long. I'm going to let you guys ask me questions, and we're going to tackle this market together and to give you guys my thoughts on this, okay? It's going to be a very important meeting, especially where we're at right now with all that's going on, so don't miss that. That is tomorrow. You guys will get a ticket into this every single month. We don't charge extra for this. This is part of your membership, so the ticket comes with this, as well as all the metrics you guys will receive, as well as all the entries and exits. So a metric suite to track what wells are doing, entries and exits for 122 wins in a row with 1 loss, and Luna being the loss, which everybody lost. So if you want to call us undefeated besides Luna, that's technically accurate. The community chat, and then I'm also going to go live every single month with you guys as well. So this literally is probably the best investment you guys can make right now into your crypto journeys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this analysis, but we are still looking bullish on crypto, guys. We are still looking bullish. All right, guys, I love you. Have an amazing day. God bless you guys. The indicators, everything you guys need are in the description. The indicators you guys saw in the pop-up, they're 84% off. This is the lowest price we will have our indicators ever. We will not ever drop our prices lower than this, okay? This is the best deal you guys can snag on their indicators. You'll get all 9 of our indicators. All 9 of them, 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded on TradingView before. Pressure gauges, our jackpot indicator over here. The 3 you guys need that I use every single day are these 3 right here, okay? Save Money is going to give you guys 84% off. If you've ever purchased individual indicators from us, like the price per swell money flow or trading exhaustion, and you guys are like, look, I want to get the 84% off, send us an email at betradeconfident, tradeconfident@gmail.com. We'll give you guys a PayPal invoice. Just pay the difference, and then we'll give you guys all 9 indicators. We do not want you purchasing the bundle pack on top of what you've already purchased. We want to give it to you the cheapest possible. So email us, tell us what you've purchased. We'll send you a discount for the bundle pack, and we'll give you all 9 indicators. Simple as that. We will honor that, and the whole team knows that, okay? I love you guys. Keep your heads up. I'm actually, guys, I'm really jacked to get on with you guys live tomorrow in that inner circle. So watch out for that. We're going to go over some market stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. The metrics and indicator sale, all those links are in the description, as well as I pinned it to the first comment of this video. And I hope you guys have a good Wednesday. It's hump day, guys. Let's see if the market can turn around for us the next couple days. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.